TRiLA Company of the Year for Tyre Service Equipment goes to Manatech Electronics Private Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for this award. It is the second time in a row for Manatech. We've been in this industry, Tyre servicing equipment industry for about 30 years now, and have been serving the workshop sector as well as the Tyre servicing sector for quite some time to innovative products that generally are imported. We design and manufacture them here, trying to give a value addition to the process. We had a few launches this year, including latest 3D technology-based wheel alignment system for buses and truck segment. Wheel alignment in the bus and truck segment is a growing phenomenon in India, which I believe has got a future, which has got a good potential going forward in the future years. So we've got the state-of-art technology. In fact, I would say this is the first in the world in terms of adapting 3D alignment technology for aligning buses and trucks. So we are patenting this technology in a few of the Western markets as well. We are very excited about the prospects of introducing these products commercially in the later part of this year. And again, Manatech is indigenously launching its tire pressure monitoring system. Again, first timer in this market in terms of completely designing and manufacturing PPMS systems, both for OE supply as well as the aftermarket supply. All these accomplishments were possible primarily due to the patronage from the customers and the motivation we got from the corporates. All the time we approach them, the tire corporates as well as the car corporates. Tremendous amount of motivation, true to the spirit of Make in India initiative by our PM. We have got all the type of, all the kind of motivation from the OEs and the aftermarket. Big salute to the customers who's made this possible at the end of the day, and thanks Jury and Tyre Times for this wonderful award. Thank you so much and keep this going. Thank you.